Time 2 o'clock. The date 9/5/93. September 5th, 1993. Star date 1993. I am sitting in the living room of the Christmas house, focusing in on the kitchen, backing myself up. My slave is now walking in,
All we have is a chicken.
and she's letting me know the menu for tonight.
That was half of your chicken burrito.
And that is it? Huh?
Mm-hmm.
Woman, I want something prepared.
Shut up.
No, I say,
I prepared you the half chickens after.
you prepare me some homemade cooking.
Sausages.
Baby, make me something.
You want to eat? I can't make
Get
it.
your butt up and make me
There's
something.
nothing in it.
Just get up and make something.
I'll warm up your burrito.
Make something. Anything.
I'll warm up your burrito.
I'll warm up your butt. Look at that big butt. I get on that. Minor interruption by the slave woman, but that's okay. We just continue recording. There she goes. She's getting the plates, as I have demanded. We're going to go approach the slave woman. She is preparing food. ¿Estás preparando comida?
Yes.
¿Qué? Oye, ¿estás preparando comida, mujer? Escúchame, ¿estás preparando comida?
Yes.
¿No hablas español?
Lo siento.
¿Dónde está la comida?
En tu culo.
¿En tu qué?
En tu culo. Maíz.
In your cooler?
En tu culo.
Cooler?
Culo.
Refrigerator? Is that what you're trying to say? Hispanic woman.
En tu culo.
Culo, not culo.
¿Quieres tenerlo metido en tu culo?
Sí.
Te
Sí, po.
gustaría, ¿no?
Sí, yes, I would
¿Te
like it.
gustaría, no?
Yeah, I would like it.
Ok, ven para acá.
Yeah,
Te lo meto.
yeah.
¿Quieres palta? ¿Quieres palta?
No.
Ahí está palta. ¿Quieres palta?
¿Qué es pata?
Eso.
No. No quiero aguacate.
Palta.
Aguacate.
Aguacate no es.
Aguacate. No.
Palta.
Oye, Nina, no estamos en Chile.
No estamos en México.
No estamos en Chile.
No estamos en México.
No, estamos en América del Norte. No estamos en Chile.
Estamos en México.
Para ti todo es de Chile. Aguacate. Just make my food, okay? Alright?
What?
So just make my food.
I'm making my food.
That's right, you're making it.
Hmm?
That's right, you're making it.
Why are you closing your eye with your hand?
Because I have problems. What are those?
What?
I think I see a lice bug in your hair. Hi, pretty.
Hmm?
Hi, pretty. Are you pretty?
No.
Why not?
No.
You don't think you're pretty?
Mm-mm.
What if I call you pretty?
You're lying.
You're right, I am. Hey, baby. I mean, slave woman. Is there anything else to eat?
Maíz?
Do we have sour cream still?
We don't eat sour cream in this house.
No, but I did buy some, and I brought it here one
And you ate
time.
it all?
No.
Yes. Here you
I'll
go.
check the Christmas refrigerator.
Here you go.
We're going to explore a new territory.
There's nothing.
Oh yeah, as you see, this is all crazy food. Nothing. Nothing.
Eggs.
Did I ask for breakfast? Huh? Hey you. Hey. Did I ask for breakfast?
Yeah, shepherd.